So we're here today at a house in Leola where Eby Exteriors is doing some stucco and stone remediation. We found a lot of water damage. Steve Stucco's here. Steve's been working at the front of this house, and you can see all of the water damage that happened underneath this door. When we take this door out, we might even find more. There's a lot of repair that needs to happen, and this is what happens when things aren't done right the first time, when things aren't flashed right, and when people don't care about moisture. So this house, we've ripped off the front, and we have new house wrap on there, and we're gonna reinstall a number of things, and just looking forward to making it look beautiful again and making it dry and watertight so that we don't end up with problems like that. It's a big deal who installs your exterior.